Bonjour. Today, a quick review about possessive adjective. Okay, let's start what it is. Okay, adjective, that's something that's kind of a qualifier for your noun, and possessive, which is mine, yours, etc. So let's look at these adjectives. What I just used were pronouns, so that doesn't work. So that would be my. So for the singular form, we'll have some differences. You can see by my little chart that for the singular, you will have a different form. And for the plural, you will have only two forms. Okay, so to say my, if it's masculin singulier, it will be mon. Féminin singulier, ma. And if your feminine word starts by a vowel sound, just like ami au féminin, the word for friend, it will be mon because of the vowel. Okay, and the plural will be me. Then you can decline that for your and his, her, its. So, mon devient ton, mon collier, ton collier, ma chemise, ta chemise, et mon étudiante, ton étudiante, donc mes, tes. Okay? For he or she, it will be the same, or it will be the same. It doesn't matter if the person, the possessor, I will call them the possessors, are masculine or feminine. What matters is the number, if you have one possessor or several. Okay? So if he or she or it, sont, if it's masculine, ça, and sont, and c'est. I believe you guessed that part. Okay, to say our, whether it's feminine or masculine, we don't care anymore. If it's singular, our classroom, notre salle de classe, our teachers, nos profs. Okay? Same thing. Your classroom, votre classe, your teachers, vos profs. Their classroom, leur classe, their classrooms, leur classe, and we put an S. Okay, that's it. Very simple. I would suggest to work on that to make your own list with possessive. Maybe you think about yourself, your best friend, your parent, their parents, anything that helps you, and think of one thing that they possess as a group or as a person. Ok, à bientôt. Au revoir.